Welcome to DTutors YouTube channel, where we teach you everything you need to know about financial markets and making money online. I am so excited to have you and can't wait to share my knowledge and experience with you because I've been in the market since 2017. Now, if you're looking to learn how to invest wisely, grow your wealth, and create a successful online business, then you have come to the right place. Our videos are designed to both be informative and engaging, providing you with the practical tips and strategies that can help you to implement right away. So, if you want to stay ahead of the game and take control of your financial future, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. Now, you won't afford to miss the next video coming. All you need to do is to stay connected. Now, thanks for stopping by and see you in the video. This is a major update on Metamask. Now, there is a whole lot of rumors about Metamask airdrop, and I want to make this urgent video so you can take action and participate in this upcoming Metamask airdrop. Now, welcome to Deep Tutors, where we make videos that are good for your pocket. If you check out in this channel, we usually make videos that can make you a lot of money, and that is what we'll do in this channel. Now, we have a goal to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Please help us achieving this goal by liking our videos, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. Let's go straight into the video. Now, this is Metamask. If you don't have Metamask or you have not done this thing before, you need to check out my video on how to set up Metamask. And also, if you don't know how to swap tokens and interact with Metamask DApps, you need to also watch out the video I did about Uniswap on how you can use Uniswap to see how to use Metamask to check all of the decentralized applications on the cryptocurrency space. Now, let me show you what to do so you can participate fully on the upcoming airdrop on Metamask. So the first thing is to click on Metamask. That's the Chrome extension. If you have it on your Brave extension, whichever place you have it, just click on it and make sure you have your token on it, whether Ethereum or any other token of your choice. You can see I have $8 on this account. It's just for me to show you what to do so you will not miss out on this airdrop. As you can see, this is Optimism network. You can also see other networks. I also have a video in this channel where I taught about how to connect other networks if you don't see them here, because by default, if you open Metamask, you will be seeing only Ethereum mainnet. So you have to manually add all of the other network so you can be able to access them. So once you connect the network of your choice, as you can see, I have Ethereum on my Optimism network. You click on profile site, click on it. So what this thing does is to show you all of your portfolio, whatever, everything you have on these accounts. As you can see, total asset I have on this particular wallet is around $48. So I'm going to be showing you what to do to participate fully on the upcoming Metamask airdrop. Now, as you can see the portfolio, you can see buy, swap, and bridge. Now, a lot of people are using Metamask, averaging around 30 million users. Now, the funny thing is that if you have a Trust Wallet account, you can even access it on Metamask. Now, does that mean that people that created the account on Trust Wallet can actually qualify for the airdrop in Metamask? I don't think that will happen. Now, the only thing that will make you to qualify for Metamask airdrop is to use their inbuilt features. Very important. Now, using your wallet to let's say access Uniswap or any of the DEXs is good, or any of the decentralized applications is good. But using the inbuilt Metamask features, you stand a chance to be eligible for the upcoming airdrop. Now, what are the inbuilt features? You can see the buy option. You can actually buy cryptocurrency directly from your Metamask. That keeps you, or that makes you eligible for the airdrop. Now, you can also swap, you can also bridge, and you can also stake. So these are the 4 inbuilt features that you can just interact with. You will stand a chance to be eligible for this upcoming airdrop. Now, the one I'm going to be explaining to you is just 3. I've tried out 2. I didn't do the other one, and the last one is really optional. I will show you how to buy, how to swap, how to bridge, and staking. I have not done staking. You can do that. It also puts you on a chance to be more eligible for this airdrop. So if you click on buy, this is where you buy cryptocurrency directly from Metamask. So if you come here, you have to select your country. For people who are in Nigeria, because I live in Lagos, Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria, just select Nigeria. You can actually buy directly. You have option of buying from Nigeria instant transfer. These are options. You click on it. You can also use a debit card if you have a debit card that can work, because majority of the Nigerian debit cards are not working online. But if you have a debit card that works, you can actually use it to buy crypto. You can just click on continue. If you want to do transfer, this is where you put what you want to buy and the amount you want to buy. I think the list is 17,000. That is the least amount you can purchase. Okay, 16,000 before trades. 17,000 is what I type in there. So just leave it on bank transfer, which is Nigeria instant transfer. Then you click on get quotes. To take you to a place where you do verifications and all of those. You can see what you're buying. You can see you are paying 1,400 naira fee. So this is just for if you want to buy directly from Metamask app. Then the next thing you need to do is to swap. I didn't do this. I have to be very honest with you guys. I did not buy this, but it's also another thing you can do using their inbuilt features, so you can stand a chance to qualify for this airdrop. So you can also use the swap option. Click on the swap option. Now, when you go to the swap option, this is when you swap tokens from different networks, or the same. You can swap token in the same network to another token. Let me show you that. As you can see right here, I have $8 in my Optimism network, which is Ethereum Optimism. That's layer 2. You can see how I've selected Optimism as my network. So which token am I to swap? I have Ethereum. I have $8 Ethereum. I'll just put in the amount I want to swap. Let me just swap 0.003. As you can see, it's $5.59. So which token am I swapping it to? Let me just swap it USDC, for example. This is example USDC. You can see, click on it. So I'm swapping it to USDC. Then advanced option is actually optional. You don't need to change the slippage and all of these things. Then you click on get quotes. Then you allow it to load. You can see we're about to swap our Ethereum to USDC. So let's click on swap. You can see the fee. You just have to pay a little gas fee. It is very important that you use these inbuilt features. You will qualify, like you are most likely to qualify for the airdrop. So click on confirm. You can see submitted. So let's give it a little while. You can see confirm. So we've actually swapped that token, that Ethereum, to USDC. You can click on go back. Any of the thing you want to do, you can click on go back, and you can still do the same thing. Another thing you can do here is to swap that USDC back to Ethereum. So these are the things you can be doing back and forth, back and forth. All you need to do is just to follow these steps, and you can be able to complete all of these tasks and qualify for the airdrop. Then you click on the bridge section if you want to do bridging. We are bridging from one network to another network. So we want to bridge Optimism. So let's just select Arbitrum, because Arbitrum is kind of cheap. So this is Arbitrum down there. So let's select Arbitrum. Let's select Arbitrum. Most of these things are EVM blockchains. So what you are sending, which token? Let's select USDC. I thought we transferred some token. Why is it showing me $8 here? Confused. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we want to transfer. Okay, you can see it has changed already. So let's go back. Yeah, because I'm surprised. I'm surprised. So we want to swap our USDC from Optimism network to Arbitrum network. So let's put in 5. I want to do 5. Oh, the minimum is 10. As you can see, the maximum reliability, please transfer a value of at least 10. As you can see, you can only move 10 here. All you need is just to have $10. Move it from Optimism network to Arbitrum network. So that's another thing you need to do. You can also swap it back. All of these things, just interact with it as many times as possible. You will just be eligible for this airdrop. The another option is for you to use the stake button if you want to stake. Personally, I did not do this. If you want to stake your Ethereum on Lido, you can just stake your Ethereum. You'll just be earning 4.220% yearly. Yeah, that's annually. You can also use this, but this is mostly used. Even if I want to stake, I will just come here and stake it. Click on stake, but you must have Ethereum. As you can see, I did not have enough Ethereum. So if I had some Ethereum, I could have click on mask, then click on stake. That's how simple it is. Now, by doing these things, it puts you on a on a high chance of being eligible for this airdrop. So this is also a quick update now for me to make sure that everybody in Deep Tutors is really making this free money in airdrop. It is very important. Also anticipate another airdrop coming in, which is layer 0 airdrop, and at the same time we're also having Sui airdrop and Stackware airdrop. So stay connected in Deep Tutors. I will share more of this video. See you in the next video.